Everything that can be implemented using CSS finally should be done with CSS. I'll show you how to create something awesome using CSS only. Hi, let's talk today about CSS3 features such as text shadow, box shadow and border radius. We'll use them in order to create a simple menu. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. We're starting with the DevDocs. This is a comprehensive manual that combines multiple API documentations in a fast, organized and searchable interface. The second useful resource I recommend you is CanIUse.com. Here you can check the browser support for every single feature that you're planning to use in your application. The border radius CSS property allows to define how rounded border corners are. The curve of each corner is defined by a circle or ellipse. The radius applies to the whole background, even if the element has no border. The exact position of the clipping is defined by the background clip property. Initial value for the border radius is 0. The value can be set as a length, percentage, or calc function. This property can be animated. The text shadow property adds shadows to the text. It accepts a comma-separated list of shadows to be applied to the text and text decorations of the element. Each shadow is specified as an offset from the text, along with optional color and blur radius values. Multiple shadows are applied front to back, with the first specified shadow on top. The box shadow property describes one or more shadow effects as a comma-separated list. It enables you to cast a drop shadow from the frame of almost any element. If a border radius is specified on the element with a box shadow, the box shadow takes on the same rounded corners. Syntax is the same as for text shadow property. Using nothing more than these three features, we can create really fancy buttons. Let's dive in the code. A markup, a title and buttons, now styles. I use predefined colors. Set background and text color. Styles for the title. For the rectangle button, let's set its size and absolute position. Also, define the border and background color. Now text styles. set styles for hovered element. It looks great! So, with a combination of different CSS properties, you can implement a plenty of effects. Everything can be done automatically. Easy, isn't it? My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.